Blystone, Chief of Staff with Ocean Aero. I lead up all of our administrative functions, finance, HR, legal, as well as help support the broader business, especially from a commercial perspective with our offshore energy group. So we're here in our brand new 63,000 square foot manufacturing facility located on the East Pier of the Port of Gulfport. We are a manufacturer of the world's first and only autonomous vehicle for the ocean that both operates on the surface as well as subsurface. This is our main product. It is the Triton. It's a completely autonomous ocean drone, sails along on the surface of the water, just like a sailboat would. And when you want it to, you'll see it takes the shape of a submarine. It has the ability to dive up to 100 meters deep. It's really an incredible piece of technology. It can be equipped with all sorts of different sensors, so it can get all sorts of different readings depending on what you're utilizing it for. And again, it operates without a human in the loop. So you effectively give it its directions ahead of time, you put it in the water, and it operates its mission. So really a wide variety of different use cases, and again, pretty exciting piece of technology. What you're walking into is 25,000 square feet of completely climate-controlled manufacturing space. We've got most of the fabrication of our Tritons kind of set up on this left-hand side of the shop here. Effectively, you'll see all these molds the Triton shape comes together in. And then if we walk kind of back this way, we've got the second big piece of our manufacturing process is pulling together the interior components that effectively kind of come together in a watertight housing. Again, being a submarine, everything that goes from the boat has to be able to dive, take direct water contact, and also withstand pressure changes up to 100 meters deep. So you've got the shape of the boat, you've got the brains of the boat, and then finally we have kind of the other side of our shop here, which is where we do final finishing of the boat. Complete manufacturing process. It takes about a month to build a Triton. So we've got a bunch of different functions that make Ocean Aero go every day. So we've got engineers working in the office, constantly working to improve the Triton as well as work on payload integrations. We've got teams working in our factory here every day, building the Triton, both the shape of the hull as well as the electronics interiors. We've got teams of field application engineers that are outside of the office every day that are out launching or recovering the Tritons, running operations for our customer teams. So it kind of depends on what you're interested in, but I think we've got a lot of great opportunities for a lot of different interest types. I think we've got a very bright future at Ocean Aero. We intend to call this home for a very long time. We intend to keep growing here and adding more job opportunities. So again, I think we're just getting started.